Tony McDonald, Santana Minerals, listed on the ASX. Welcome to Canary Networks.
Yeah.
How are you?
Thanks, Stephen. I'm well.
Now, tell me a little bit about the business. What gets you up in the morning? Because, managing director, tough job. It's got to be something that really excites you about the business you're in.
Well, it's an enjoyable job. Good people, good country, exploration success. You thrive on that. So it creates that opportunity for people and for a team that I lead.
And so tell me about what the business is. If you're excited about it, because that's what the investors I'm sure want to know, what is it at the heart of the business? Real simple, what's the business do?
Oh, it's silver, it's gold, it's exploration, it's Mexico. It's in a wonderful environment and it's a challenge and meeting the investor expectations.
And why Mexico? I mean, of all the places in the world, why Mexico for silver?
Oh, Mexico's number one producer of silver, but it happens to be number 8 producer of gold. And it's a country that's got a serious background in mining and operations have been going there for 500 plus years.
Now, exploration stage of business always brings with it risk. Tell me about the management team that you've got around yourself which mitigates and manages that risk.
Yeah, that's good. We have a small team, we're nimble, we communicate strongly, we have strong geological background in amongst the team and we challenge everyone at every step of the road and we know Mexico from our background.
Now, the exploration that you're doing in Mexico, and I won't even try to pronounce the name because it's got a C at the beginning, but it could sound like X.
Quitaboca.
So tell me, how's that progressing? Whereabouts are you in the stage of exploration? And how has the $2 million that you raised just recently been used in relation to that?
Let me start at the end firstly. That $2 million, the machinery will go on site within the next couple of weeks to prepare some roads and drill pads. And we hope to have a drill rig on there in the first week in October doing the next program. And where we're at, it's early stage exploration. We've found what we think is a bulk tonnage silver project near surface, so it should be easy to mine if we can get the resource up. We've done one drill program and it's come up trumps and we think we're onto something.
And given that you're early stage, as you said, how's the balance sheet looking to take you through to the point where you either become very interesting to progress on your own or equally very interesting for some larger conglomerate? Yeah,
well look, we have now about 2.8 million in the bank after this capital raising. The next program will cost us about $1 million. We will use that wisely. We didn't want to go for the larger amounts of money and dilute shareholders too much, so we do it incrementally. We added value the first time, we've added value this time, and if we can do that, we may need some more money, but that will come when the company's really advancing well, and hopefully that will be early next year. So hopefully we'll get a good run at it now and continue drilling.
Okay, so my final question, the Canary Networks came out of investors into the mining sector, so a lot of them have got experience, the members. Why should they consider you, Santana, as part of their portfolio? Your little vignette of opportunity for them.
We're silver, we're gold, we're Mexico. It's a proven country. Our management team, we've had serious involvement over the last 27 years in Mexico. We've had a number of successful projects. Beyond that, we're at a very early stage in the exploration cycle. We still think there's a lot of uptick in the silver gold price. The disparity between the silver and gold I think will come together to favour silver. So there's a lot of upside and we're very early on in that value add cycle.